Is it true that there will always be a defense strategy for a sex crime case? Attorney William Margolin explains that. Sometimes you do not have a defense strategy. Sometimes the evidence is so overwhelming on your client that you are essentially in a siege mentality at that point in time. You have to find some sort of mitigation and try to minimize the overall damage against your client. Now, that is an extreme. I have handled many cases where my clients say this did not happen. There are situations I have dealt with in the past relating to child custody. A husband and wife go for custody, and all of a sudden, an allegation is made. Usually, it is from the wife, although it can come from the husband, or a stepfather is sexually abusing the kids, and my client comes to me and says, "This is nonsense. This is all a ploy, because we are in a custody dispute now, and because she wants money from me." In situations like that, understand that the main strategy that you are going to use is, what does the state have? Can the state prove your client guilty beyond a reasonable doubt? Is there an alibi? Was your client not there? Is there any motive for the other person to lie? In situations like that, it is going to be her word versus yours. There is not going to be any independent information or evidence. There is not going to be a video, and there is not going to be any type of witnesses who can corroborate or back up the allegations that you sexually molested or assaulted a child, or, for that matter, anyone else. It is your word versus theirs. Is there a motive behind that? If there is a custody dispute, it is a motive for one party to lie about the other. If it is a monetary dispute, there is a motive for the other person to make up this type of information. Everything depends on the facts in the case and the circumstances around the allegations itself. There is not one-size-fits-all type of defenses. Schedule a free consultation with attorney William Margolin in Waukegan, Illinois today. He has over 29 years of criminal trial experience and over 24 years of experience in legal representation for Secretary of State driver's license reinstatement hearings.